you refusing to count? I'm like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She never wanted to pick up on my line. I was too awkward, I acted like Einstein, trying to put together the pieces of my mind. I was an internet figure, my intellect and been making the universe of my time. I'm living life autopilot, cause I'm so fly and I'm not even trying. Ain't nothing changed but the cosmetics. Defense mechanism make them all jealous.
Hey guys, it's Monday TV, and today I'm back with another video. Today I got a beach vlog. I got another vlog, and leave in the comments if you guys want me to do more. This vlog, it's not a beach party. It's a beach day basically. Yeah. Well, yeah, I combined because it was all in the same day. Me going to practice and then the beach. So like, yeah, don't just like, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you all for the support. Thank you, 1 to 1,300 subscribers. And yeah, enjoy the video. You want a good?
Get the fuck out my face.
Shut the fuck up, you dumb bitch.
Hey, no, you got hit Josh look this one.
Stop.
That's the best. Nigga, I know you was wildin' out. That's not. Is this nigga serious? Oh, okay. Hey, no,
it's not.
Wild style right now. Hey, why you bullshit? Hey, did you say funny? Hey, I know.
It's Fly React, exactly. Fly React the best YouTuber, bro. Fly React the best YouTuber.
Eating them cinnamon toast, we about to.
I don't understand why you even did this to yourself. This made you look so fucking stupid.
Part two.
Oh, there you go.
Molly.
I put some further plate, then your mom will push it. I eat that. No.
Shut up.
I thought you better go off.
Kaden like that big black dude. Sticking it in. I'm done. Why are we talking? Kaden that big black dude. Alright, Jason. Another topic.
That was so whack, bro. Why'd you even say that? No!
You think you're fucking better than me?
Yeah. Sing a challenge. If I win, I get the shirt. You ready? All she wanna do is party all night. Come on, yes sir. Come on.
Hit that good time.
Get him.
He's snapping. I can't even. It's like I can't say nothing. This dude is snapping right now.
Oh, no, you gotta get in the truck. Bro. Hey. Yeah, but why? I'm not even bothering nobody though.
But I'm about to beat your ass.
Beat him up. I hold your stuff.
It's my phone, bro.
Alright, whip his phone too.
Dang, how you got no car, Josh?
Bro, my car is in the shop, bro.
Why? Why is it in the shop?
Because Terry broke my door.
Do me a favor. Shut the fuck up.
How'd you break your door?
Dang, put that water on him.
You scared of this dog, bro?
No, he's gonna.
This? Come on, bitch. Oh, I need to get them socks.
Nah, I gotta get you in there, bro.
Nigga, too clean up. For real, bro. Nigga, what the fuck you about to go for, nigga? Some dick? I gotta put it tight, nigga.
Yeah, that bitch play advocate runners too. Come on, man. You trying to come ass.
Oh, hey, look at that. Really losing.
Goddamn, love. Drill. Go whoop on that boy. Whoop on that. Yeah, nigga. No. Nigga straight push, man. Your cock fell out. Oh, let me see that bit.
Ain't no great ass got him. Like you thick ass nigga. God damn, put that shit in my wallet.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
That big cock fell out. No.
Who trying to fuck?
And the admin on Snapchat.
Come on, son. Oh, you don't want to do it. Oh, you don't want to do it. Damn. Strike my leg. Damn.
Okay, J-Trap.
Heck no. I'm tired. We're in LA, bro. LA is so beautiful.
No.
What happened?
I gotta shoot a TikTok. See, I should do a TikTok. Yeah, fuck a TikTok. I'm gonna order you. Hey, just remember to do a TikTok. Hey, just remember to do a TikTok. Yeah.
Let's do that with Brownie did like this.
Take me. I see you black ass.
Get the fuck out of my house right now.
We got the D1 basketball player quiz. Richmond, you feel me? Looking dusty as usual. No count.
Fuck no.
I'm kind of sore, bro. I'm not doing that.
Oh, shit.
What happened, Kim?
Getting kicked off the fucking beach.
Wait, why?
They'll be fucking black. Nigga, Black Lives Matter, nigga.
That's nasty.
We all gotta take a shit. Oh, ooh, he throwing them bitches. But you know, we all about to go take a shit. You know, he about to stank that bitch up. Bitch! Wait, what the fuck? Nah, got that ass, you ready? Ah! Fuck no!
This nigga had one job. What?
That boy Derek. That boy Chris. Padre.
What's up, Jay?
Well, that's gonna do it for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed the little vlogs I do. And leave in the comments if you guys want me to do more vlogs. And leave the comments if you think they're good, how it is, you know. And do you guys like the intros that I do right now, or like the intro that I like have for every single video? Because I don't really know. But yeah, thank you guys for all the support. Road to 300 subscribers. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, peace.
Dude, I don't want Jason touching the ball because he's retarded.
Oh shoot! No!
Jason! No!
I had to panic pass.
Oh, you played it.
Oh my god, dude!
Oh my god!
I didn't mean to fade.
Rodney. Slow down. Jason. Wow. What was the point? Jason!
retarded! Oh my god!
You went 2 for 8.
You did it 3 times! 3!
I didn't miss a shot.
Oh
I didn't miss a shot. You went 2 for 8. What was the point?